Today, I'm going to guide you through a simple meditation that you can do at home or in your office to just relax the mind, calm down the thoughts, and come back to your focus and concentration. So sit back on your chair, nice and comfortable there. Uncross your legs and cross your arms. Place both your palms on your thighs. Both your feet are nice and grounded on the floor. Take a deep inhale. Exhale fully through the nose. One more inhale. Exhale fully. Good. Now gently close your eyes. Your lips are sealed, and I'm going to take you through a breathing exercise. Now inhale into 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the breath without any control. Just breathe normally here. And observe the breath. Observe the flow of the air in and out the nostrils. Allow yourself to be the observer here and to start reconnecting with your body sensations. Observe the air temperature in and out the nostrils. Now your thoughts may come in and out. Just let them pass through like clouds. Whenever you notice some thoughts in, allow yourself to just come back to your breath and to that breathing sensations in and out the nostrils. Very good. Now take a deep inhalation again and exhale all the air out. Gently reconnect with the body sensations and start to move the fingers, the toes, and maybe the neck. Let go of the tensions very slowly, micro-moving the neck, left and right side. And gently open your eyes.